If you use these 9 settings on your iPhone will be safe from theft, or the person who steals your iPhone will surely regret because he will not be able to do anything with your device. Hey guys, welcome Technical Beardo here. Today in this video, we'll talk about 9 such settings which will surely save your iPhone from theft. Also give a guarantee of safeguarding your iPhone data with the theft as well. So let's start the video and check out the 9 settings in this video. After stealing your iPhone, the first thing that person will try to do is enabling airplane mode on the iPhone from the control center, right? So the first step will be disabling the control center from the iPhone lock screen, because without knowing the password, he cannot access the control center from the iPhone lock screen. For that, do one thing, go to your settings. In setting, open Face ID and passcode. Okay, enter the passcode, open that, and in this option, if you scroll down, there are multiple options available here. One of them will be your control center. Just by default, it will be enabled. Go ahead and disable that. So once you disable control center from lock screen, next time, unless and until there is a authentication from the Face ID or Touch ID, the control center will not be able to access from the iPhone lock screen. So first step, always remember to disabling control center from the iPhone lock screen. Now talking about the next step here. Second thing, we'll talk about your privacy, that is notification on the iPhone lock screen. So whenever you are enabling notification on the iPhone lock screen, and if your device is stolen or theft, that time that person can read all the messages, all the OTPs, even all the one-time password or pins to reset your password or to gain the access can be viewed from your iPhone lock screen from the notification. So here second thing is disable all the notification from your iPhone lock screen. For that, do one thing, go to your settings. Okay, same settings, go to Face ID and passcode. Okay, open the passcode here, and here if you scroll down, bottom side you will see another option called notification center. Just disable that. So obviously it will disable all the notification from your iPhone lock screen until and unless you unlock your device with a Face ID or a Touch ID, right? The third thing, we'll talk about your iPhone passcode, where I would suggest that you should use 6-digit code instead of a 4-digit code. By default, many people use 4-digit PIN, but the 6-digit code is very difficult to crack because it has more combinations than a 4-digit code. Even if it is hacked or someone trying to crack your code, the 6-digit code will be having a multiple millions of combination, which makes very difficult to crack the code or crack the passcode. So for better security, try to have a 6-digit code for your iPhone passcode or iPhone lock screen passcode. And the fourth settings will be turn off your USB accessories for your iPhone when iPhone is locked. So guys, whenever your iPhone is stolen or someone wants to try to hack or crack your iPhone, that time they will surely use a USB cable to connect your iPhone to laptop, right? But if you disable that, the access to the laptop from iPhone will be disabled. So until and unless your iPhone is unlocked, the person cannot access your iPhone with a USB cable to his laptop. So do one thing, go to your settings. In settings, open same setting, that is your Face ID and passcode. In that, if you scroll down, there is an option called accessories. Okay, just disable that. So if you disable that, so whenever next time if your iPhone is locked and if you're trying to connect your device with a USB cable to laptop or a computer, it won't happen because it is disabled here. Until and unless you unlock your device, it is not possible. The next thing will be talking about your Find My iPhone. So always remember to enable Find My iPhone on your device. For that, do one thing, go to settings, open the profile. In profile, you will find an option called Find My iPhone. Okay, open that, and here just do one thing, enable or make sure that it is on your iPhone. So basically with Find My iPhone, you can locate your device, erase your device or track your device with your Apple ID and password. So enabling Find My iPhone along with Find My Network is enabled. That will make your iPhone to track even if your device is turned off or offline. The sixth setting will be your notification preview. So now you will ask, what is notification preview? So guys, if you noticed, on many people iPhone, the messages come, right? And directly they are open or visible to everyone on the iPhone lock screen. But there is a feature in the iPhone where you can hide the content unless and until you unlock your device with your Face ID or Touch ID, right? So the preview will not be available on the iPhone lock screen, but the notification will be there. For that, do one thing, go to your iPhone settings, open settings, and here open notification. And here at the top, you'll see option called show preview. Okay, tap on that. And here there are three options: always, when unlocked, or never. So whenever you enable always, your message will be previewed always, all the time. When you select when unlock, so you will get a notification on your iPhone lock screen, but the content will not be visible unless and until you unlock your lock screen. So always choose when unlocked, and that time the preview of the messages or a notification will not be available to the end customer. The next setting will be enabling require attention for your Face ID. So guys, if you remember or noticed, whenever you're trying to unlock your iPhone, that time you have to pay attention to the iPhone lock screen. That time only your iPhone get unlocked, right? That is because of this feature. So now if you go to the settings, in settings open Face ID and passcode. In that there is an option called attention, right? If you see here, there is an option called require attention for your Face ID. If you enable that, it means that next time you are showing your face to the iPhone lock screen and you closed your eyes or looking at something else, that time your iPhone will not unlock because it requires your eyes to look at your iPhone lock screen. That time only you can unlock your iPhone lock screen if the setting is enabled on your iPhone. So always remember to enable these settings called require attention for Face ID on your iPhone. The eighth one will be enabling send last location on your iPhone. So next time whenever your iPhone battery is critically low, that time your device will automatically send the location to Apple. To enable this, do one thing, go to your iPhone settings. In iPhone settings, open your profile. In profile, you will see an option called Find My. Okay, open that and here tap on Find My iPhone. And here the last one will be send last location. So whenever next time your iPhone battery is critically low, it will automatically send the location, the last location to the Apple to be on safer side. So it will be easier to track your device if you needed. The ninth setting should be your last option if your data is very critical or you cannot afford to lose the data, and that will be your erase data after 10 failed attempts for your passcode. So guys, this feature is available in the settings. Go to your settings, open Face ID and passcode, and here scroll down till the last. There is an option called erase data, and this feature should be used only when if your data is very confidential or you cannot afford to lose it. Because if the person is trying to unlock your device and after 10 failed attempts, your iPhone will erase all the data from your iPhone. So if you can afford that, if it is okay for you, then go ahead and enable the settings on your iPhone. So guys, that's it. According to me, these 9 settings were very important from my point of view. If there are any more settings or features available in the iPhone, please let me know in below comment. Until then, I hope these 9 settings will help you. I hope it was a helpful video for you. And if yes, please give a like. Please subscribe for more videos on iPhone tips and tricks and iPhone solution. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care. See you in the next video.